everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you the review of a newly launched skincare product from Lakme, and that is Lakme 925 Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturizer with Green Tea. So friends, when I was browsing through Nykaa, I came across this cream from Lakme, and this is a new launch, so definitely I wanted to try it out, so I ordered it for myself. Friends, before proceeding, if you want to enjoy more such type of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you find this particular video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. So let's get started with the review of this particular product. Let's get started. Friends, you can see the packaging. It comes in a white and green cardboard packaging like this. As you can see, we are getting 50 grams of cream and it retails for rupees 349, and we are getting 2 years of shelf life to use this cream. And here you can see, friends, all the claims of this product are mentioned, and here it's written how to use. The caution is also mentioned. So friends, here you can see the ingredients are mentioned. So there is a Camellia sinensis leaf extract, there is witch hazel leaf extract used in this cream. So both these ingredients are really very beneficial for our skin, friends. Camellia sinensis leaf extract is actually white tea, and it has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, and it is also an antioxidant. So friends, as it has antimicrobial properties, so definitely it's going to be effective on acne and oily skin. Witch hazel has anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps in relieving inflammation and acne and helps in fighting acne as well. To my disappointment, friends, there are also methyl paraben and ethyl paraben used in this cream. Friends, when I bought this cream, I was assuming like there will be no paraben, because I have been using so many Lakme skincare products and there are no paraben in many of the products. I think almost all the products that I have been using, there is no paraben. Friends, here you can see this is the packaging. It is a white tub and with a green cap, and the packaging is made of plastic. It has very light green color. As you can see, this cream is gel based cream actually, and it is very cooling and soothing. I can feel the cooling and soothing effect on my skin right now, and you can see it gets instantly absorbed. It gives very good hydration as well, and it has a very strong fragrance. I can smell that right now actually. The first claim is it gives pore reduction, it gives visible pore reduction. So friends, I have been using this cream for the past 4 days and I don't find a very visible pore reduction, truly speaking. It has actually quite smoothened out my face, and after applying I can feel that smoothness on my skin, on which makeup glides very smoothly. And this cream also has dimethicone, which is found in silicone based primers, which helps in minimizing pores and fine lines. So definitely I can feel that smoothness on my face, but I don't think it is going to work wonders on pores, friends. If you are having large pores, then definitely it's not going to fill your pores as it claims. So that second claim is it gives 12 hours moisturization. So definitely, friends, this is a good moisturizer and I have used it. I can feel the moisturizing effect on my face, and that is what I like a lot. And the third claim is it is oil free, and definitely, friends, this claim is true, because this moisturizer is totally mattifying and it is totally oil free. I don't feel oiliness or tackiness on my face after applying this cream, which I really liked. And the current climatic conditions, it is very hot, humid, so definitely we need a cream which is really oil free and which mattifies our skin. So this cream is really good for very oily to combination skin. The fourth claim is it gives a sign free skin all day long. So friends, that is also correct, because after applying this moisturizer, I don't get that shininess or oiliness on my face, and my face is totally mattified and it blends effortlessly on skin. It blends like magic. Within some seconds it totally gets absorbed into skin. I don't feel any irritation or sensation while applying this cream. So one thing that I've noticed is I don't sweat much after applying this cream. So there are certain creams, after applying them I get little bit of sweatiness on my face, but it is not the case with this cream. I'm going to apply this on my face and I'm going to blend it real well. So friends, as you can see, it has got instantly absorbed into my skin. Friends, you can see an instant glow on my face right now, and it has also given me enough hydration. Nowhere on this cream the skin type is mentioned, like this cream is best for which skin type, it is not mentioned anywhere. So if you are having normal, combination, oily or very oily skin, then definitely you can go ahead and buy this cream. I will not recommend this particular cream for dry to very dry skin, friends. And for the coming winters also, I will not recommend this cream because it is very mattifying on face. This particular cream I would recommend for each and every age group. If you are anyone who is above 30, then I would recommend you to go for any anti-aging cream. So it is always better to take care of your skin beforehand. This cream, I don't think it has any anti-aging properties because nowhere it is mentioned on the packaging. It also doesn't have any SPF count, nowhere SPF count is mentioned. So it is not going to provide any extra added sun protection as well. Definitely I'm going to finish this tub and I'll not waste my money because I've already bought this. But one thing that is really disappointing in this cream, friends, to me is there is paraben. So friends, I am okay with all the makeup products that are having paraben in it. But if any skincare product has paraben, then I'm not okay with that, and it is little bit bothering to me because skincare products we apply directly on face, and it is like our second skin, and on top of that we apply makeup, so it is going to be absorbed to our skin directly. So paraben is not at all good for our skin. So once this tub is going to be finished, I'm not going to purchase this product second time, friends. So it depends on you, friends. If you are okay with any skincare product which has paraben in it, then definitely you can go ahead and purchase this cream. But coming to my recommendation, I will not recommend this cream because it has paraben in it. If it was a paraben free formula, then definitely I would have recommended this cream to you all, friends. I hope this video is helpful and it has helped you a lot to decide whether to take this newly launched cream or not. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Love you.